Okay, so we have just finished adding this column that contains a timestamp and the personalization name. Let's go ahead and save this out to the Dropbox, and what we're going to want to do is, let me navigate out to Dropbox. All sale data goes into the Dropbox folder entitled Bird Row Sales Data here. We need to find sales, Zulily. In this particular case, this sale is right here.
So while you're there, can you go back to that root and just sort of explain to people what those cryptic-looking numbers are?
Right. Okay. So this is an archive which speaks for itself. It's obvious. When we're done with events and we've finished completing them, we dump all the sales data into them. This here, the 13 represents the year. The next two digits represent the month, and the final two represent the day that the event started. These characters, I believe, represent the name of the event. I think this is a Western. And I'm sorry, I didn't create these. I think Michael did, so I'm not clear on what this is, but I believe it has to do with the collections.
So I think it's fair to say for anybody watching this video that the name of this folder is probably not massively important, other than put the date in there and then the name of the sale. And if you want to use a more verbose sale name or whatever, it's fine as long as you can easily see what it is. Is that fair to say?
That is fair to say, and in fact, it's likely that if you are working on this, you will actually be creating a folder at this point, which we could very easily do. Create a folder. We'll call it 1310. Today's the 20th, and then A, B, C, whatever. We create it there. We keep the same syntax for the spreadsheet name. It's just easier. This here is the actual identifier for the Zulily event for this PO, so we keep that, and it's the first PO, and we'd simply save it.
Okay. So the next step from here would be showing how people go through and use that spreadsheet to start personalizing each of the Illustrator files. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll show that in the next video. So I'll go ahead and stop this video.